Here at Material Center Leoben, we have the perfect balance, in my opinion, between basic research and applied research. And we always work towards a goal. We want to create a product or a method that can be used then in the society, in the environment. So we are working for a better world, and this is actually what I would like to say at the end of my career. Okay, I did something good for the world, and this is where I can do that. Yeah. Hello, my name is Deluca. I am coming from Trieste, Italy. I am Deputy Group Leader Sensor Solutions at the Microelectronics Department of the Material Center Leoben. Here we are developing, as the name says, new solutions for sensors, working a lot with the development of materials and the characterization of materials for sensors and for the energy supply of sensors, namely for energy harvesting and energy storage devices. We are developing sensors for air quality monitoring. So this is very important, for example, to improve the air quality indoors, yeah? And also, for example, for pollution detection of forest fires, and so on. We also try to make them energy autonomous. Yeah? So we are developing energy harvesting and energy storage materials or devices in order that the sensor nodes can work wireless without a battery, without being connected to the electrical grid. With our sensors, we would like to try, let's say, to improve the efficiency of industrial processes and also to provide more capillary control on the environment so that we can have a more efficient environmental protection. So this is certainly important for the society, for the industry, and for the environment as well. Well, Austria is a wonderful country. It is beautiful, and it has a very high standard of living and also a very high standard of work. So there's a lot of innovation in Austria. It's really an idea foundry. And this is especially for somebody working in technology or in research, this is really a great destination. And then the most important thing, Austrians are very nice, very friendly, very helpful, and it's really a pleasure to be here. Graz is a city that is, I think it's the best one that I've ever lived in, because it gives you a lot of services, a lot of cultural opportunities, but it doesn't have the hustle and bustle of a big metropolis. I think it's one of the best places to have a family. You have a lot of support from the authorities and also the high standard of living. And I will say, last but not least, Austria is very close to Italy. So for an Italian moving to Austria, I would say, yeah, that's really probably the best choice that you can make, yeah, especially if you're working in technology.